The buzz on ASPI is persisting, down 8.04%. This is Wednesday, the 15th of October, 2025, pre-market session. So what we're looking at right now seems to be a contraction of yesterday's expansion that took it to the highs of $14.49. It seems that is what we're looking at. Yeah, the company is trying to raise up to $210.3 million against $17.2 million that it hopes to sell. It's offering at $12.25, nearly 13% below the stock's record high close of 14.05 yesterday. Okay, so I think that would definitely necessitate this pullback we are looking at right now. But I don't think people are, they may be pricing a rebound anyway. They may be buying the deep, it seems, but we'll find out. Let's see what's going on right now. This is the order books for the stock. Let's see, 13.1. People are expecting, okay, let's see, not very active at the moment. Not very active at the moment. Let's see what we have. Okay, so the extrapolation is saying that the contraction may continue to play out, but we don't know whether that will be the case. Projections, if any, is saying that 10.22 down projection. Previous upper projections we have 10.39. So 10.22 is currently an upper projection. Yeah, currently an upper projection. It is no, sorry, it's a down projection. $14 is the current price. $13 is the current price. Okay, so as a matter of fact, the offering price, the stock has actually overtaken that. That tells you something. It may be oversubscribed, or it may be a positive. And it may be a positive. So upper projections 13.25, 14.49, 15.26. That will be, where does that, okay, so 14.49 falls in between all of those projections there. Let's see what we have in terms of its price pressure momentums. Let's see, I think, yeah, it has picked up momentum. It has picked because we saw that pivot, and we mentioned that it was offering those shares at $12 and some fraction. So momentum has most certainly picked up in the midst of the contraction from yesterday's peak of $14.45. So they're moving up. Okay, see, it has even accelerated further. They have all moved. It has moved further, as you clearly saw there over there now. Yeah, so they are buying the deep regardless. They are buying the deep regardless. Fascinating stuff. Let's see. But it's probably they might just see that as a as an opportunity to jump in on the stock. You know, the company is I believe there's something there that was mentioned. About their one of the isotopes they supply. A good one, iridium 167, very very good for quantum computing, for quantum lasers. It's a field. It is the core. It's the qubits of. I mean, the qubits is like the basic of the foundation of quantum computing. It is what is the quantum computing, and it's just elements. So ASPI is, I think its subsidiary, which they are also trying to spin off or something like, is what the company that does that. So I think the company is well regarded in terms of isotopes and qubits for quantum computing. It's a well regarded company. So I mean, it wouldn't, given all of that, it's not out of place that people are trying to shrug off the dip that's happened now. So one other thing we have also noticed is that of late, I mean, you will probably go all the way back to, let's say now, all the way back to early. Okay, well, if let's say all the way back to, yeah, the whole of this month, it has never really dipped beyond more than 11.58% without bouncing. You can see that. Yeah, this from here to here, even though it's over 8 hours, it never It was this is 11.85. It has never been anything more than that. This is currently less than 8.8, 11.85. This is currently from here to here is 8.75. So it has always bounced. It has always bounced. So uh, let's see whether this extrapolation is going to pan out. Is the extrapolation trying to defy the pattern that has been in place? But we're looking at a decelerating moment. Okay, well, yeah, still the momentum is still strong. Let's see, the momentum is still strong. Yeah, still strong, still strong. Has actually gotten stronger. It has actually gotten stronger. Underlying trend is bullish, I believe. Yeah, yeah, strongly bullish, strongly bullish. Yeah, do we have projections here for 15.37? I think we've seen that sort of projection before. Let's see. Let's see. We've seen that sort of projection already. So this the stock is currently trending. That's what's going on right now. So we don't exactly know whether it's going to hold. We don't exactly know whether it's going to bounce. But based on what we have seen, it hasn't. It has never dropped below. It's never dropped below 11 roughly 20, 12% since the whole of this October. Never dropped below 12% without bouncing since the whole of this October. So we'll just see whether this is going to hold, even though the extrapolation is clearly saying that we are going to see a contraction. Yeah, let's see whether that will be the case. Yeah, yeah. So just have a look and see what you make of ASPI, and thank you very much for watching this video.